I want to try something with you today. Not an exercise, not a challenge. Just a quiet moment, you and me, to look at something most of us have been carrying for so long we've forgotten it's even there. Imagine that everything you are carrying right now, every responsibility, every expectation, every quiet worry, everything you feel you should be doing or being or feeling, imagine all of it sitting inside a backpack on your shoulders. Not a neat, organised backpack, a worn one, heavy, the kind that pulls at your shoulders by midday and makes everything feel just a little harder than it should. Most of us have one, we just don't talk about it. Here is something your nervous system needs you to know. When we carry emotional weight for long periods without acknowledging it, our bodies begin to store it, not as a thought, as a physical sensation. Tension in the jaw, a tightness in the chest, a heaviness that sleep doesn't always shift. This is not weakness. This is your nervous system doing exactly what it was designed to do, holding what your mind couldn't process, keeping you going, but at some cost. So, let's try something together. In your imagination, gently lift that backpack from your shoulders, feel the weight of it in your hands, and place it down, slowly, on the ground in front of you. Just notice how that feels, the absence of weight on your shoulders. Even imagined, your nervous system registers that relief as real. Now, unzip it, and choose just 3 things to look at today. We'll call them bricks. Brick 1, reach in and take it out. Hold it gently, not with judgment, just with curiosity. Maybe this brick is called trying to keep everyone happy. Maybe it's never feeling like I'm doing enough. Maybe it doesn't have a name yet, and that's okay. Ask yourself quietly, is this brick still needed in my life right now? If the answer is no, place it on the ground beside you. Just set it down. Your nervous system responds to symbolic release in ways that go far deeper than words. The brain processes imagined actions through many of the same neural pathways as real ones. The release you feel in this moment is not pretend. It is real. Brick 2. This one might be older, something you've carried for so long it no longer feels like a weight. It just feels like you. Ask gently, did this brick ever truly belong to me? Was it given to me by someone else's fear, someone else's expectations? If it was never truly yours, you are allowed to let it go. Place it down, step back from it. Brick 3. This one might be made of belief. I have to be strong all the time. I can't rest until everything is done. I am only valuable when I am productive. Ask yourself, is this belief helping me? Or is it what's been making everything feel so exhausting? Strength is not the absence of rest. Rest is what makes strength possible. Your value does not live in your output, it lives in your existence. Place that brick down, step away from it. Right now, notice your body. Feel the softness beneath you. Notice the weight of your own hands. Take one slow breath in and let it fall away. This is you, present, here. Lighter than you were a few minutes ago. Some bricks were useful once, some were never yours to carry. And some have simply been in that backpack for so long that nobody thought to question whether they still needed to be there. Freedom begins here. You deserve to move through life lighter than this, you really do.